Hello and welcome to our latest breaking news. Bafana Bafana head coach Hugo Broos has announced the preliminary squad for the FIFA World Cup. Here are the players that Hugo Broos has called. Goalkeepers: Ronon Williams, Ricardo Goss, Sipho Chain, and Brendan Peterson. Defenders: Khuliso Mudau, Olwethu Makhanya, Bradley Cross, Thabiso Monyane, Thabang Matiludi, Nkosinathi Sibisi, Aubrey Mudiba, Khulumani Ndamane, Ime Okon, Samkelo Kabini, and Mbegezile Mbokazi. Midfielders: Teboho Mokoena, Jayden Adams, Bretlin Poggenpoel, Lebohang Maboe, Talente Mbatha, and Siphephelo Sithole. Forwards: Oswina Police, Tshepang Moremi, Evidence Mahopa, Lyle Foster, Ekrem Reyners, Relebohile Mofokeng, Themba Zwane, Patrick Maswanganyi, Kamohelo Sibilibili, Thapelo Morena, and Thapelo Maseko. Those are the players that have been called in the preliminary squad of Hugo Broos, dated 25 to 31 May 2026. So these are players who will probably play the upcoming friendly against Nicaragua. So let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of players that have been called in this squad? Are you happy with this squad? Let me hear your thoughts down in the comment section below. And the squad, as usual, is dominated by Orlando Pirates and Mamelodi Sundowns players. However, Kaizer Chiefs, who usually don't have a single player in the Bafana squad, have 4 players: Brendan Peterson, Thabiso Monyane, Bradley Cross, and Lebohang Maboe. Of all the players that have been called from Kaizer Chiefs, how many do you think will make the final squad? And then when it comes to Mamelodi Sundowns, here are players from Mamelodi Sundowns who made the squad: Khuliso Mudau, Aubrey Mudiba, Teboho Mokoena, Ronon Williams, Khulumani Ndamane, Jayden Adams, Themba Zwane, Thapelo Morena, and Ekrem Reyners. But the players that are missing, it's Grant Kekana and also Keanu Cupido, who have not been called to this squad. The Orlando Pirates players, it's Oswina Police, Nkosinathi Sibisi, Talente Mbatha, Tshepang Moremi, Evidence Mahopa, Relebohile Mofokeng, Patrick Maswanganyi, Sipho Chain, Kamohelo Sibilibili. There's a twist. Another player who didn't make the squad. We heard his coach saying that he has not been called to the squad is Siyabonga Ngezana. And here is the list. He's not there. So it means this coach was telling the truth when he said Siyabonga Ngezana has not been called to the Bafana squad. And also Mohaung Kota has missed out. Now let me hear your thoughts. Are you happy with this squad or not? And which players do you think should have been added on this squad? And once the final squad on the 27th of May is announced, which players do you think are not going to make the cut? Let me hear your thoughts down in the comment section. That's the end of the news for today. See you next time.